Okay, so this video I've been asked quite a few times to show how I get the label on the Capri Suns. So I created my own label with my own picture here. So this is sticker paper and this is the glossy photo paper. So I'm gonna show you how I do both. I prefer the glossy paper. I use this one now and it is my all-time favorite, Staples Ultra Premium Photo Paper, high gloss. And for this sticker paper, which is a little matte, as you can see the difference, it's more shiny. I use for this one, the Silhouette white paper, sticker paper. So let's get to labeling. Now, I don't label the front so that, you don't have to take off the straw, or also because the flavor, you'll be able to see which flavor it is. So I always label the back. So that's why when you see my labels, you don't see the straw. That way you can see what's in the package. So I'm gonna move these out the way. I'll start with the sticker paper. So I pressed this down a little straight. You're going to take the top piece and peel it down. Line it up. See that? And then you're gonna peel it off. Now you're not gonna press the whole thing down. You're just gonna come to the edges and press the edges down. See that? Then flip to the other side and the same here and press the edges. So it still has that little poofiness in the center. See? And it's fully labeled. So now it's the same thing with the photo paper, except we're going to use the glue gun to glue the top piece here. And you have to move fast because the glue dries fast. So you lay it across the top. Same thing. And then you flip to the sides again. Fold this back a little so you can get the glue right along the edge. You're going to press it down. Don't do anything with the center. Come back to the other edge. Line that glue. And then just press it down. See, the middle is still, it has that curve. And they're labeled perfectly. See that? So this is the sticker paper, which is a little matte, and that's the glossy. And that's how you label your Capri Suns.